you're going to be a great police officer.
Put on the hat. Put on the hat.
Should I put the police hat on?
Yeah, shall I get it for you?
A little bit big.
Only a little bit big.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Wow.
Kobe.
Didn't put this on properly, did I?
Say cheese for the camera to show Daddy when you get home. Say, Daddy, I was a policeman.
Your policeman
Yeah.
with the handcuffs. Are you going to drive? Do a bit of driving. There you go. Woo! Well, let's have Arabella have her.
I'm sorry.
Are you going to sit at the back now and be a criminal?
All right, Bella, you in? Do you want to stick the hat on your head? You
You don't want the hat.
Okay.
You go, do some driving.
Have you gone in the back now? Say cheese. Hold on, Bella. Mummy's going to stand here. Bella.
There.
Right, Kobe.
Right, Cal, have a
Hold them. They're real ones, aren't
Oh,
they?
he's putting them on.
You don't hold them like that. You want to hold them like this. Nice strong grip. See where the fingers are. Nice strong grip. You've got the left and the right. That's how you open the cuffs. We've got two more bits here. What it does, all the handcuffs of people, it keeps it nice and tight. Otherwise, it will hurt people's arms. Look. It gets tighter and tighter. We don't want that, do we? Do you want to hold it? That's it. Proper
Is
grip.
it heavy, Kobe?
Heavy.
Is it
Like
heavy?
that. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to try them on? Hands like that for us. Like that.
You're putting it
Oh,
behind
he's
your
a
back.
back-to-back
Oh,
man, is he?
okay. You're going to put
There we go. I'll put it on for you. One. There we go. And the second one.
Yeah, I know. I can hear
Go.
it.
Put your wrist in
Wait.
there. And where's Mum? Get a nice little photo.
Kobe, you should be sad being arrested.
Look at Mummy. Has he been in the police car yet?
Yeah, he has.
No worries. There you go, young man. Take your hands out now. You're free.
There you go, you're free, freedom.
You want to try
You have
some?
a go?
Me? No.
No. It looks really heavy. Please.
No. You'll try them on?
Opposite though.
You'll try them on?
She doesn't want to be arrested.
Come on, mate.
Oh, when he's off.
It's got real ones now. Yeah, it's got real ones.
Don't drop them.
Do you want to give it back to the policeman?
Heavy, aren't they? Heavy.
Oh. That's right.
It's proving to be incredibly.
First, go on. Go
Go on,
on,
you
go.
go first.
Ian
Go,
versus
go, go.
Brett. He's flown the Strike Master for around 5 years now. Last
No
year was
running
his first year just playing in the Strike
This is new.
Master. Previously, 13 years on the Tornado, and then an instructor on the Aria
Jan, come on.
Come on, Kian.
instructed on the Aria Tutor, he was display manager for
Good boy.
Like a sticker, Kobe? Kobe?
Wow.
Kobe? Do you want a sticker?
Strike Master. It's such a lot of
You can have one, Kobe.
This way.
Bella, you can stand there and I'll take a picture of that one.
No, you stand a second and have a look at it.
You want to go on there, Kobe? We're going to go this way.
Oh, you're flying up on.
Go on then, have a look.
Look. You pretend like you're in the sky.
Hold on to it.
No. You're not allowed past the.
Let's go.
Go.
Right, wait next to Tia, please. Do you want to stand there?
You want to take a picture, Arabella? Do you want to look? Come look. Up. Okay, or not. Kobe, I'm just taking a picture. Yeah, they are allowed to go that way, aren't they? And this is their suit, isn't it? And their helmet. And they've got a phone for emergency.
Your daddy's done them hoops, Kobe. Kobe.